Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys December's kits, and to be honest you guys, I'm a little late. So October I had multiple speaking engagements and a hot mess. So I realized I'm late, but I want to share with you guys, late per my standards, but I still want to share with you guys, you know, what they look like and all of that. So this is going to be December's kits, and this is like a December pattern. So I'm not like a huge holiday person where like I enjoy the holidays, but mainly it's more like only because of certain reasons. Like I love being with my family for Thanksgiving. I particularly enjoyed spending Thanksgiving with, you know, when my mom was here, because that was, her birthday was either the day before or the day after, whatever. So more of the story is I try not to go too holiday-ish for the people who don't necessarily care for the holidays. So not too Christmassy at all, not really Christmassy at all, but it is a Christmas pattern per what I researched. So this, what I'm showing you guys, is the full kit, and this is the first page. These are the thick washi strips, some scripts and some payday flags, and then of course we have two full sheets of strips, deco strips. We have a full page of the bill due stickers and some of these other stickers which you can kind of use for bills or not, and then of course we have a full sheet of the functional washi, is what I like to call it, and then of course we have our scripts. So these are going to be the scripts that come for the month of December, which they are the same that came for the month of November. This is a full kit which will fit an Erin Condren 7x9 deluxe monthly planner, or an or like a regular life planner, and then of course I have a mini kit, and I have, for like a mini happy planner, I have a classic Erin Condren kit which is size the same as this, but the kit is actually 2 pages. I have a Erin Condren petite EC kit, well, a petite EC kit, which is going to fit the Erin Condren petite planner, and of course I have a classic happy planner kit. Okay, so I am clearly speeding up this part, but I just want to slap down these stickers just so you guys can see, and it's so crazy how far I've come. December 2018 is whenever I put out my first kit, and here we are, December 2019. I did want to kind of get fancy with my pattern, so I decided to search elsewhere for my pattern, and for some reason I decided to cover up the days of the week and I'm not really sure why. I guess because it doesn't necessarily matter a whole lot in my budget planner, but I just went ahead and covered up the days of the week. But anyway, so we haven't made it to my 1-year anniversary just yet. That will be next month in November, but technically I put out my first kit last December, so this is, you know, kind of special. Anywho, fun fact, I actually picked out this pattern long ago, but I was just really busy in October. Honestly, you guys, this house buying building process is low-key stressing me out. Actually, I can't figure out if it's the home buying process or I'm just, or the other things that are stressing me out. But either way, life is stressing your girl out. But I had to release the December kits. You can't not show up and come through just because, okay, you cannot come through if your life's in shambles, but just because your life is in shambles doesn't mean you just, you know, throw away goals and dreams and aspirations. So I know I'm late, but I am releasing the kits, you guys, and like I said, I just wanted to slap down these stickers and kind of walk you guys through it just to kind of show you guys what we are going to be working with for the month of December, and I absolutely love this kit. So anyway, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you guys are enjoying this kit as much as me, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.